A very good morning to all my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well. Children, today is Monday and I am going to teach you English. In today's class, children, today we will learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z. Children, today I am going to introduce you sounds of the letters. And after that, children, we will learn and practice to write capital C in the notebook. Today we will also practice our rhyme all things. In practice work, children, today in Hindi you have to write A in your Hindi notebook. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, today I am going to introduce you phonic sounds of letters A to Z. Children, in English alphabet, every letter has its own unique sounds which you are going to learn today. So listen to me carefully and try to speak after me. Alright, so let's start. Children, this is A. A says A as an apple. Now comes B. B says B. The sound of B is B. Bat, ball. Alright. Now comes C. C says K. Cat. This is D. D says D. The sound of D is D. Dog. Now comes E. E says E. The sound of E is E as an egg. Now comes F. F says F. Children, this is F. F says F as fish. Now comes G. G says G as grape. G. Now comes H. It says her. Hen. H for hen, and the sound is coming her. Now comes I. I says E as ink pot. Look here children, I for ink pot, and the sound is coming E. Now comes J. J says jug as a jug. Children, now comes K. The sound of K is also K, and it is kicking K. K for kite. Now comes L, and L says L. The sound of L is L, lion. Now comes M. M for mango. M says mango. Alright. Now comes N. N says tongue will go up and it will be rolled. N says N for nose. N for nest. Okay children, this is nest. And the sound is coming Now comes O. O for orange, and O says orange. Now comes P. P for parrot, and the sound is coming P. P says P. Now comes Q. Q says queen. Children, this is R, and R says R. R for rabbit, and the sound is coming R. This is S. S says S. S for ship, and the sound is coming sh. Now comes T. T says T. T for tiger. Look here children, this is a tiger, and the sound is coming T. Tiger. U. U says umbrella. Now comes V. V says van. Now comes W. W for watch, and the sound is coming V. X. X says X. X for Xmas tree. Now comes Y. Y for yak, and the sound is coming Y. Y says Y. Children, this is the last letter Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra, and the sound is coming Z. Children, in this way you have to learn the sounds of the letters. Children, I taught you the sounds of the letters A to Z. Look here children, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now I will again teach you the song of these letters. Alright children, now see, this is A, and A says A. Pretend there is ant on your arm, and what you will say? And the sound of A is coming A, isn't it? There is ant on your arm, and it's going up, up, up. Now what you will say? Isn't it? It is very easy way to learn the sound of A. Children, this is B, and B says B. B for bat, B for ball, and B says B. B for bat, B for ball, and what you do with that? You play, isn't it? And then you will do like this. You will do this action. B, B, B. B for bat, B, B, B. B for ball. In this way, children, you will learn the song of B. Children, now this is C, and C says K. Just raise your hands up and just see with your fingers. What you will do like this. This is the sound of castanets. Okay. In this way, you have to say, do like this, and you have to say the song. K, 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 K. C says K. Children, in this way, you will be able to learn these sounds of the letters A, B, C. A says A, B says B, and C says K. Children, today again I will teach you to write capital C. So look here children, this is today's date. Today is 26th April 2021. You have to put your pencil on the red line, the top line children. From here you have to make a semicircle till the second blue line. Look here like this. From here you have to go to your left side and you have to make a semicircle like this. And then you have to remove your hand. Look at it. This is C, C for cup. Put your pencil on the red line and go till the second blue line, like this. In one go, you have to write C, like this. Now I will show you how you will write in your English notebook. Children, now it's time to write C, capital C in the notebook. First of all, today you have to write today's date. Today is 26th April 2021, like this. Now you have to put your pencil on the red line and you have to make a semicircle till the second blue line. See, like this. In this way, you have to write capital C. And the sound of C is K. Look here. And there are many things which start with the letter C. C for cat, C for cup, C for candle, C for car. In this way, you have to write one page of capital C in your English notebook, children. Alright, I hope you'll be able to write it properly. So, children, write capital C and take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. In practice work, you have to write a से अनार in your Hindi notebook. तो आपको अ लिखना है और सबसे पहले क्या करना है? You have to write today's date. Today is 26th April 2021, like this. Put your pencil on the blue line और यहाँ से आपको सबसे पहले ऊ बनाना है. ऊ से उल्लू. बीच में एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है और उसके पास में स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर छत लगानी है. क्या बन गया? अ. इस तरह से आपको वन पेज अ लिखना है पूरा आपकी हिंदी की नोटबुक में. ऐसे ध्यान से देखेंगे मैं कैसे लिख रही हूँ. और ये जो छत लगानी है ये सिर्फ स्टैंडिंग लाइन पे लगानी है, पूरे में छत नहीं लगाना है. ऐसे ऐसे बिल्कुल आराम से वर्क करेंगे. अच्छा अच्छा सुंदर सुंदर वर्क. और ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो और आपको अच्छे से लिखना आ जाए. देखो आप इस तरह से फर्स्ट लाइन फिनिश हुई. अब मैं सेकेंड लाइन पे आ गई हूं. तो आपको भी ऐसे ही देख के लिखना है अ. बच्चों इस तरह से आपको वन पेज अ लिखना है प्रैक्टिस वर्क में. देखो फिर से देखो आप. पहले सबसे पहले छोटा ऊ लिखेंगे, बीच में आपको ऐसे स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है और फिर इसके पास में स्टैंडिंग लाइन और फिर छत लगानी है. इस तरह से लिखना है अ. देखो अब मैं ये फिनिश करने वाली हूँ. इस तरह से आपको भी सुंदर सुंदर अच्छा सा वन पेज अ लिखना है और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है. Children, practice makes us perfect. So let's practice our rhyme. All things with actions. So let's start it. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The good Lord made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. In this way, children, you have to learn and recite this rhyme with actions. So make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.